because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
High five.
I love you.
No. Excuse me.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Oh my God.
Don't bite his tail.
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
She was so innocent.
Oh, let's go!
Yeah, I love you.
Under arrest.
Hey, what are you doing? What?
Dude, are you okay?
I know you're about to bite me.
What happened?
You like the smell?
I said, do you wanna fight me?
Normalize you not touching my charger!
Alright, Ray. My boy.
You gonna do some dancing for? É cheio de queijo.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
In nomine Patris et
Now you're about to bite me.
Obviously, you're out of formation. Your shoulder has to line up with the back of my shoulder.
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Did you get that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Why are you taking my food?
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy.
Want somebody?
Oh, shit.
Ollie, what are you doing?
I'm not picking a fight. Just.
No! No!
Gary!
Yeah.
Толя, блядь! Толя! No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
I'm sorry, go back.
Sure, she was so intelligent.